Jain students, in our last video we studied about the triangle and its type. So today we are going to learn about some properties of triangle like median and altitude. That what is median of for triangle and what is altitude. So let's start with the median here. Suppose this is a triangle. This is the triangle A, B and C. So what is median? When you will join the vertex A with the opposite side, that means the side which is just opposite to the vertex, like the side which is opposite to vertex A is BC, the side which is opposite to the vertex C is AB and the side which is opposite to the vertex B is AC. So when you will join the opposite side with the vertex, then you will get the median. But there is a condition. You don't have to join the line like this. You have to make the line. You have to join the line with the midpoint of the opposite side. Like if BC is the opposite side of A, then you have to join the vertex A with the midpoint of BC. Midpoint means the point which will be exactly between B and C. The line segment between the line segment BC. Suppose this is the point D and this is the midpoint of BC. That means this D is dividing this line into two equal parts. So what we have to do? We have to join this vertex with the point D. Then this line AD, this line segment AD is called the median of the triangle. Understood? That means when you will join the vertex of a triangle with the opposite side, with the midpoint of the opposite side, we have to say, then you will get the median. So here AD is the median. And one more thing, this D is the midpoint, that's why BD is equal to DC here. BD is equal to DC. Okay, so we can say a median connects a vertex of a triangle. You can write a median connects a vertex of a triangle. Okay, this is the vertex. So it connects the vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. To the midpoint of opposite side. Okay. Now one more thing. I said you have to join the vertex of the triangle with the midpoint of the opposite side. So here you can see the three vertices are here in the triangle. So you can join all these three vertices with their midpoint on the opposite side. That means the opposite side of B is what? AC. So when you will join the vertex of B to the midpoint of this, suppose the midpoint of AC is E. So when you will join this, not straight. When you will join with this E, this is also the median of the triangle. Okay? And like that, when you will join the vertex C with this, suppose this is the midpoint of this and it is F. When you will join this with this, then also this is the median of it. So here in the triangle we can find three medians, like AD is the median, CF is the median and BE is the median. The important thing that median is what? A median connects the vertex of the triangle with the midpoint of the opposite sides. So when you will connect the vertex with the midpoint, you will get the three medians in the triangle. Okay. Now let's move to the altitude now. What is altitude? Or height we can say. Altitude is also known as the height. So altitude is what? Suppose this is the triangle ABC again. Okay. join the vertex with the opposite side, but here the something different. You don't have to join it with the midpoint. I said the altitude means the height. Suppose you can imagine this triangle as a building. Suppose we have to measure the height of the building. So what we do? We just measure the perpendicular distance. Okay, you have to just find the perpendicular distance of that. Suppose I have to measure my height. So then also I will find the perpendicular height. Okay, perpendicularly you will find my height. So here also in the triangle, when you have to find the altitude, you can find the height of that triangle. So here the height of the triangle will be when you will form a line from the vertex to the opposite side. Here it is not necessary that if these two are equal, that means if this is D, here it is not necessary that BD is equal to DC, because I am not saying that you have to join the vertex with the midpoint. It's not a midpoint. You are just simply drawing a line which is a perpendicular line. Okay, you have to draw a perpendicular line, and this will be the altitude of the triangle. Suppose the triangle is like this. Suppose I am taking the example of the right angle triangle. Suppose this is the right angle triangle. Okay. So in the right angle triangle, we know that this is the perpendicular distance. This is the height. If you will find this height, this will be the altitude of the right angle triangle. Only this is this perpendicular distance. Okay. Now, if the triangle is a scalene triangle, all the sides are different. Suppose. And you have to find the altitude of this triangle. So what will we do? Again, what will we do? We will make the perpendicular line here. So this is the altitude of this triangle. You can see these two parts are not equal. So it's not important that these two parts will be equal when you will form the altitude. Okay. Now the next thing is that, like median, in triangle also we can form three altitudes. So since the vertices are 3, so we can find 3 altitudes here. You can form a perpendicular line here also. This will be the perpendicular line, and from C also you can form a perpendicular line to the opposite side. So there are 3 altitudes also. So what we can say, altitude is what? Okay, I am writing here. So we can write. An altitude has one end point. Where is the one end point? At the vertex of the triangle. And where is the other end point? Let's see. And the other end point on the line containing the opposite side. Or you can say that, and the other end point on the opposite side of the vertex. Okay, here I am writing. Side of vertex. So in the triangle we can see 3 medians and 3 altitudes. Okay. Suppose let me tell you one more example. Suppose this is the triangle. I am erasing that. Suppose this is the triangle and we have to find the altitude of this. So how will we find it? Again, here we can't draw the line perpendicular like this, because we know that perpendicular line is only the straight line and this is not a straight line. So the perpendicular, you can take it as a base and the perpendicular line will be like that. This is the perpendicular line. So for this triangle, this will be the altitude. So altitude can be outside of the triangle also. Okay children? So in this video we studied about the median and altitude. In the other part of this video we will solve the exercise 6.1 based on the median and altitude. Thank you children.